Hi friends! Today we're going to explore 30 amazing wild animals from all around the world. Let's dive in. This is a lion, the king of the jungle. Lions live in groups called prides and roar really loudly. This is a tiger, a striped big cat that is an excellent swimmer and loves forests. This is an elephant, the largest land animal with a long trunk to grab food and drink water. This is a giraffe. The tallest animal with a long neck to reach, lives high in trees. This is a zebra, a horse-like animal with black and white stripes that help it hide in the wild. This is a cheetah, the fastest land animal that can run as fast as a car on the highway. This is a leopard, a spotted cat that is very good at climbing trees and hiding in forests. This is a bear, big, strong and furry. Some bears love honey and catching fish. This is a wolf, a wild dog that hunts in packs and howls to communicate with friends. This is a fox, a clever animal with a bushy tail that can live in forests or deserts. This is a panda, a black and white bear that loves to eat bamboo all day. This is a kangaroo, a jumping animal from Australia with a pouch for its baby called a joey. This is a koala, a sleepy, cuddly marsupial that munches on eucalyptus leaves. This is a rhinoceros, a huge animal with 1 or 2 horns on its nose for protection. This is a hippopotamus, a big animal that spends most of its time in water to stay cool. This is a crocodile, a scary, toothy reptile that lives in rivers and waits quietly for prey. This is a hyena, a wild animal from Africa known for its loud laughing calls and strong teamwork. This is a camel, the desert ship. Camels have humps that store fat for long journeys. This is a gorilla, a gentle, strong ape that lives in forests and likes to eat fruits. This is a chimpanzee, a smart ape that uses tools and lives in social groups. This is an orangutan, a red-haired tree-dwelling ape that loves swinging from branches. This is an eagle, a bird with amazing eyesight that can spot prey from high in the sky. This is an owl, a night bird that can see in the dark and turns its head almost all the way around. This is a flamingo, a tall pink bird that stands on one leg. This is a penguin, a funny, waddling bird that swims like a superhero in cold waters. This is a dolphin, a playful, smart sea mammal that loves jumping and swimming in groups. This is a shark, a powerful ocean predator with lots of sharp teeth. This is an octopus, a clever sea creature with 8 arms and the ability to change colours. This is a snake, a long legless reptile that slithers silently, and some can't even climb trees. This is a turtle, a slow-moving animal with a hard shell for protection. Some live in the ocean and some on land. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.